Functioning medical equipment is critical to patient care. Like other machines, these devices require maintenance and service throughout their lifetime. UptimeHealth has launched TeleTech to enable biomedical technicians to offer immediate, virtual support to equipment operators and healthcare providers. Technicians can now quickly guide their clients on simple steps they can take to get their machines back up and running in their moments of need with real-time video. TeleTech empowers technicians with the ability to use live pointers to walk a client through processes step by step, use on-screen markup to draw out important items, OCR text to quickly extract serial and part numbers, share their screen to display schematics and important documents. Using TeleTech will increase client satisfaction, increase equipment uptime, eliminate unnecessary travel, and increase the chance you bring the correct parts and tools out with the first site visit. While we are all working together to get through the COVID-19 crisis, UptimeHealth is giving away free trials of TeleTech so technicians can fix life-saving equipment in a timely manner while reducing any unnecessary exposures to the virus.